For many people, contracts is viewed as a very difficult, terminology-laden subject, and the role of lawyers is thus often to serve as sort of captains guiding people through a very difficult subject, trying to steer them away from the eddies and shoals and through sort of a navigable stream of understanding contract law. At least that's how I like to look at it. Contracts is also an area in which, when studies have been done and surveys have been performed, businesses frequently opine that the most important function lawyers serve is to advise on contracts. And in fact, many people who graduate from college or graduate school and go on into business look back on their studies and say that of all the subjects they took, business law often was the most useful, and contracts was the most useful area in terms of practicality now that they're out in the business world. When one hears of the rule of law at the international level, what we're usually really talking about is contract law. For instance, if a business here in America makes a contract with a business abroad, say in Russia or in China or in some other country, one of the fundamental questions is, will that contract actually be honored abroad? Could you go to a court in another system? Could you go before arbitrators and have that contract honored? And so it's very important for people to understand something about the nature of what is a contract. And at the very core, the question becomes, is it an agreement? And is it an agreement which a court will actually enforce?